Okay. I got kind of a crazy idea. I think it's a good idea though. I cut a hole in my sheetrock over there and it's a circle. I have the circle, but it doesn't have any paper edge to it. But I just thought of something. I wonder if I could peel paper edge off of a cardboard box and then glue it, hot glue, to the plug I have, and then sheetrock putty around it and throw it in the hole. Okay, we got the plug, got the hot glue gun. Okay, I just found something that will make this 1,000 times easier. This is painter's paper, which is basically what I was going to peel off the cardboard. So just rip the piece off of there, flatten it out, so that this is on like that, just so the adhesion is good, paper to paper. This is going to be inside the wall, and then the paper will be around it. I can fill this part with the sheetrock compound. I can trim this kind of just to maybe like an inch or all the way around, fill in some putty here, and when it dries it'll adhere really well. This might be facing inside, and then I'll have to texture it, but okay, I think I just got it started. Tape back a little bit and put some more glue in. Alright, I'll be right back. Here's the finished product. I just went around as I could. Each time I found an open spot, threw some more glue in it. Unplugged my glue gun. Just reminds me of my grandpa's place in Corona, Queens. I think this is ready to go, so I'm gonna mix up some. I have some putty, but I think I'm gonna add some water to it so it's a little bit wetter, and then see if that helps this adhere to the wall better. I mixed up this, add some water to it. I'm going to press this into the wall, and then I'm going to use the rest of that with the big spatula to get it set properly. Here's how it came out. This has got a little bit more texture than I probably would have wanted. Just a little bit sticking out there. You can see the paper. Not bad. I didn't want to brace it with wood like I normally do, because right behind there is a hose bib for the outside, and so that hose bib is, I don't want to hit it with a screw. So if I was screwing in this way, I'd be poking it. I think that's the best deal. I don't know, tell me what you guys think. Do you guys think that was a good fix or it was a terrible fix? I think it worked well. The paper was stuck on really good. So just painter's paper. Then it's pink right now, and then it'll dry white. All right, hope this is helpful. Hope you guys are doing well. God bless you guys. Peace. Later. Bye.